Welcome back to Primetime Sports at Tuesday. Now, Jamaica's referees are one of the first to benefit from the FIFA COVID-19 Relief Fund. This as the JFF has paid up all outstanding funds owing for the previous season. With football yet to return on the local calendar following the COVID-19 break in March, many stakeholders are feeling the pinch. Among those are the local referees, who are still uncertain as to when they will resume duties, a weight that is now boring a hole in their pockets. Recently, there was a call for the JFF to assist officials with care packages, but according to the JFF referees manager Victor Stewart, it was more important to take care of outstanding salaries than care packages.
So our first line of action was to ensure that all monies go to referee for all competition, under 15, under 13, women's league, all the Premier League playoffs, etc., etc. There was a huge sum of money that was owed to referees. And so from that fund that the JFF received from FIFA, they went ahead and paid all outstanding monies owed to referees. The initial thought process was that in the midst of COVID, the referee would have needed what was owed to them. And that was our first line of action. We are still toying with the idea, if there's a possibility, and if this too long any longer, if anything can forthcoming in terms of forward payment and our care package.
Stewart, who is appointed by the JFF, says his decision is in no way defending his employers.
Yes, it is $1 million, but there are so many other things to do. And we're not finding an excuse, we are making representation for referees. We have 450 referees approximately in this country. And to reach out to everybody is not an easy task. And you may hear other people in other forums mention other factors that we don't care. We really and truly care about the referee and a representation for any benefit that is available. If there is benefit available, trust me, the referees will get it.
In the meantime, Stewart says they are still awaiting care packages, which were promised to the referees by the Minister of Sport.
The Minister mentioned that there were some benefits for sports personnel, and so we made a representation for the referees, just like the players who have not gotten anything from the Ministry of Sport as far as that is concerned. So that was the only organized care package we know about. If there's a forum for us to reapproach them and say what is going on, then we would definitely do that.
Just recently, some referees benefited from care packages donated by the PSOJ, after a plea from FIFA referee instructor Peter Prendergast.